Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Live to live, and you will learn to live. You live, you learn, you upgrade. Focus on what matters and let go of what does not. My life, my choices, my mistakes, my lessons. Adventures are the best way to learn. You make mistakes. Mistakes don't make you. Pass on what you have learned. The easy way to learn is from others' mistakes. The hard way is from your own mistakes. The tragic way is not learning from either. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Mistakes are part of the dues one pays for a full life. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. It is not the mistake that matters. It is how you interpret the lesson. Never a failure, always a lesson. There are no mistakes, no coincidences. All events are blessings given to us to learn from. Knowing when to forgive yourself and correct yourself is a blessing. A good friend who points out mistakes is to be respected, as if he reveals a secret of hidden treasure. Don't get burned by the same flame twice. There are some things you can only learn in a storm. To be old and wise, you first have to be young and stupid. Mistakes made in life are our lessons in disguise. And sometimes the best lessons learned came from the worst mistakes made. Do not carry with you your mistakes. Do not carry your cares. Travel on alone, like an elephant in the forest. Buddha. If there are things you don't like in the world you grew up in, make your own life different. In the long run, we shape our lives. and we shape ourselves. The process never ends until we die, and the choices we make are ultimately our own responsibility. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.